Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to give you a movement routine, really a stretching routine that is a movement routine that you can use to, well, 1, feel amazing, 2, stay supple, and 3, stay strong. So I believe that animals are brilliant. They live in their design, so they effectively, like for instance, a lion is a lion, and lions are awesome because they act like lions. And if you've ever watched a lion or a cat, or even a house cat, they lay around a lot, but when they're ready to move, before they start moving, they do some stretching. And I believe that's one of the ways they really keep their muscles very strong and toned. So I'm gonna give you a little cat-like lion-esque, lionel, stretching routine, Thundercats. And anyway, this is a quick little routine you can do that it feels pretty daggone good. Make you feel like a lion, Thundercat. So, and you can start out on the ground, and what we're gonna do, kind of get on all fours, and we're just gonna reach like you're really stretching. You're gonna breathe in and really reach, and you'll feel all your muscles contract because you're trying to lengthen them. And then you breathe out, and now stretching the upper back and the torso. And then we're gonna get on our toes. We're gonna come up into like an upward dog, and we're just gonna stretch and lengthen through our heels, through the crown of our head. And you'll feel your glutes and your hamstrings and your adductors and everything really turn on, and then you exhale and relax. And then that was the lower body. Now we're gonna go one limb at a time. We're gonna just reach, breathe in, relax, let go. So reach and breathe in, and let go. Now we're gonna do one leg at a time. So you just really reach through your toes. You'll feel everything in your leg light up, relax and let go. Then do the other one. Reach really long, relax and let go. You're already feeling good, I know it. And then from here, we're gonna get into a squat, and we're just gonna reach. We've done this before in another video, but it's so good, so nice, we do it twice. And then you relax and let go. And now we're gonna stand. We're gonna reach up top, but we're gonna bring the arms down and just really lengthen from arm to arm, finger to finger, and you'll feel your back light up like a Christmas tree. Exhale, let go. 2 more. Our hand, reach up top, throw our hips out to the side, really stretch out this part here. Exhale, let go. Breathe into the other side. Lengthen, how long can you get? Exhale, let go. And then that's it, and that's the stretching routine. But before we get about our day, we're gonna shake it all out. So I've done this before too. Get your muscles loose on the bone. So you stretch them, and then you wiggle them. Stretch them, and then wiggle them. Vibrate them loose. That helps you stay supple, soft, strong, yet powerful, like a lion. Thundercat. All right, guys, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. And remember, Thundercats, ho! Or it's really, Thundercats, ho! Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. I'm Tim with Original Strength. Have a good week.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net. To train with Tim, go to osi-online.com.